Alrighty. So we have Piglet's Roses. So I'm not exactly sure. From what I understand, Piglet has 8 roses and 3 vase. 1 large, 1 medium, and 1 small. He puts 5 roses in the large vase. So let's start with the large vase. And excuse my drawings because they're not very good. So we have 1 vase. There we go. And we have 5 roses in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it kind of looks like a wine glass. That's my vase. Okay, and then we have a medium one. I kind of turned into small, but so we have a medium vase with 2 roses. 1, 2. Sorry, that got pretty tiny. And then we have our small vase. It kind of looks like the medium vase, but like I said, got a little tiny. And we have 1 rose in that. This is what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 total roses. So the only thing I find weird with this problem is that it's asking, can you find another way to put the roses so that there are the most in a large vase and the least in the small vase? Well, what I don't understand is there a certain number of roses that needs to be in the vase? Because if so, the only way we could have it is a large vase and have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 roses in there. Our medium vase and have 1 rose in there, and then our small vase, which would have 1 rose also. So that would be my next comparison. We have this right down here. But if there's no reason why there has to be roses in the vase, then the obvious thing would be 8 roses in 1 large vase and 0 roses in the other vases, because it says find as many ways as you can put the roses in the vases, with the most in the large vase and the least in the small vase. You think you found them all? Explain how you know those are all possibilities. Use pictures, diagrams, or a number line to show your possibilities. I don't think we need a number line in this situation, but to each your own. So if I was going to have the most roses in the largest vase, I'm going to draw the vase. I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 roses. My medium vase, 0 roses. And then my small vase, and which has 0 roses also, because we want the most roses in the largest vase. So I had the large vase, my medium vase, and my small vase. We have 0 in these two. We don't want any in there. So that's how I would do it.